Right, so LinkedIn's just added a new daily game called Wend. If you've opened it up and you're staring at a grid full of letters with grey wall blocks in it, wondering what on earth you're meant to do, I'll show you how it works in 2 minutes. Wend joined LinkedIn's games lineup on the 9th of June this year. It sits alongside Pinpoint, Queens, and Tango, and it's just the first proper word game they've added since games launched in 2024. New puzzle every day, plays in your browser or the LinkedIn app, and it's free. The board is a 5x5 grid. Some squares are letters, some are grey wall blocks. Your job is to find the 4 hidden words in it. One that's 3 letters long, 1 4, 1 5, and 1 6. You trace each word by tapping neighbouring letters up and down, left, right, no diagonals. Here's the bit that catches everybody out. Every single letter tile has to end up in one of your 4 words. No spurs, no overlaps, no letters used twice. So even if you spot a word that looks right, if it leaves a stray letter with nowhere to go, it's wrong. Wend is a jigsaw with words. Start with the 6-letter word, fewest possible paths, easier to spot. Look for common endings, ing, ed, er. Work around the walls. They're your clues to where each word bends. And keep an eye on the count in the corner. It tells you how many tiles you've used. Play it at linkedin.com/games/Wend or hit the Games tab in the LinkedIn app. New puzzle every day at midnight.